Welcome aboard the Disneyland Railroad. To ensure a safe ride, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
We're now entering the Bayou, home to Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Take a sneak peek at the big party Princess Tiana is throwing, where the welcome is warm, the music is hot, and the company is sweet as honey. When it comes to sweetness, the inhabitants of the land we're passing over are the bee's knees. Here in Bayou Country, you can join Winnie the Pooh, Tigger, Louis the Alligator, and other beloved critters on their fun-filled adventures. As we steam past Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree, we're now joining up with the rivers of America and entering the frontier as it looked more than a century and a half ago. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural beauty as far as the eye can see. Sharing his stories with those in the great river valley below. People like you have been riding these rails since the 1800s, traveling through nature's wonderland in a matter of days, rather than the months it used to take by mule or stagecoach. Steam power not only fueled these iron horses, but the dreams of a whole new generation as it moved west into this great frontier. Of course, some of those dreams, and the stories that went with them, were pretty darn wild and downright unbelievable. Like on Big Thunder Mountain, where I hear that mysterious spirits have grabbed hold of those mining trains and turned them into the wildest ride in the wilderness. Tunnel signals our transition from the frontier to another kind of pier, the ones you'll find on Mickey and Minnie Mouse. Our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown, the cartoon home where Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends live. Toontown Depot is also the gateway to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and...
As we approach Mickey's Toontown Depot, friends, make sure we remain fully seated at all times. Once again, this is a pickup trip only, so everyone on board will not be able to exit here. We are simply here to pick up and what we've been waiting out here at Mickey's Toontown Depot and take it with us to our final destination of Main Street, USA. Please be visiting Tomorrowland Station next to pick up anyone who's been waiting out there at that station and take you all with us to Main Street, USA, our final destination for the evening, so that you may all take it home safe to your home, hotel, wherever it is are going to be living tonight. So, please sit back up and enjoy the ride.
Y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
As we leave Toontown Depot, we get a real nice view of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain. the future to a land inspired by visions of tomorrow, both practical and imagined. Here you'll find rocket ships and star speeders, submarines and astroblasters, and, if you look overhead, maybe a glimpse of a Mark 7 monorail. This is the latest version of the first daily operating monorail system in the entire Western Hemisphere, gliding from Disneyland since 1959. Below the monorail, and us, are the fun-filled roadways of the Autopia. Drivers of all ages can get behind the wheel of these cars. No experience or license required. If you're into soaring spaceships or doing battle with evil empires and emperors, Tomorrowland is definitely the place for you. Speaking of which, we're pulling into Tomorrowland Station right now. If you're leaving us here, just stay seated until we come to a full stop. Gather your belongings, including lightsabers and astroblasters, and step carefully from the train. Thanks, and have fun in the future. For the rest of you, just sit tight. We'll be on our way again in just a minute.
As we approach Tomorrowland Station, friends, remember to remain fully seated at all times, as this is a ticket through only, so nobody will be exiting the train here at Tomorrowland. We are simply here to pick up anyone who is waiting out here. Take you all back with us to Main Street. Stay seated until we make our final destination. Welcome everyone to Tomorrowland Station.
Now leaving for a complete trip around Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom through the Grand Canyon and
Taking an exciting detour, visiting the Grand Canyon, and then traveling all the way back to the primeval world, the land of the dinosaurs. So for the courtesy of everyone around you in the tunnel ahead, we simply ask that you refrain from taking flash pictures, using video lighting of any kind, or playing with those land toys, ears, or accessories, as after all, we don't want to scare our critters stiff.
To have just come aboard, welcome. The next leg of our journey will take us from the fantastic world of the future to the breathtaking beauty of nature's own design, the Grand Canyon. For your safety, stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Watch your children and no flash photography.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado, tenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Por favor, no tome fotografías con flash.
That was the Grand Canyon as we know it today. But it wasn't always this way. Now, let's travel back in time, way back in time, to the fantastic past of the primeval world, land of the dinosaurs. Until we come to a full stop. Remember to gather all your personal belongings and step carefully from the train. I'd especially like to thank those of you who've been with me for the Grand Circle Tour of Disneyland. We hope you enjoyed your travels with us and that you'll come back to ride with us again real soon. For those of you staying with us, we'll be on our way again in just a few minutes. This is Main Street Station. Main Street.
As we approach Main Street Express, remember to remain fully seated until the train has come to that full and fully stop, and you see both your conductor stepping off the train. This is our final destination of the evening and closest stop for the park exit. Please be advised the station does have no ramps or elevators. It's a grand staircase, so you will need to carry any of those wheels you're traveling with. Hold it up on the stairs at the exit. On behalf of myself and my friend Conductor Grant, we'd like to thank you for riding this super trip with us on the Disneyland Railroad tonight. We wish you a safe and happy trip home.